Hi everyone, now I'm here in Libertad. So yeah, trying to find the foreigner that he wanna go back to Thailand. Now finally we are here. Look at the situation. This is the reason why I need to help him. Look,
Yeah. So Tatay,
he's from France.
I really want to know what is the real situation, and yeah, I need the full details. So I need to go to immigration, check what happened, if he has case or just overstaying. If just he just overstaying here, so I can fix his paper, I can buy the ticket to going back to Thailand. So guys, we are here now, and we need to buy this. We need to buy this one antibiotic for him because he have something at the back. Yeah, so yeah, we will help him. We will do what we can. So yeah, I will buy this for you, okay? I'm going to pharmacy. Mepenamic.
This one I have little bit.
This one, Mepenamic, this one. This is for the pain.
Cetirizine I have
Yeah,
little
but
bit.
this one,
Paracetamol I have.
this one you don't have.
This one we don't have.
This one, this.
Erythromycin they don't have.
Okay. So guys, we'll go into Mercury to find this medicine.
And
Okay, let's go.
Chemorol. They don't have.
Okay. So guys, now we are here in Mercury buying his medicine because he have something at the back and really painful, and he have the infection. So he need to drink all of this medicine for him. So he went to hospital already, and yeah. So I will buy this for him. It's worth of 1,600. All of that one. So he need to drink to be fine.
So after I buy the medicine for Pascal because he need to take antibiotic and you can see the situation, he's coughing a lot. This is bad situation for Pascal. That's why we really need to send him
Oh my
back.
God.
But
He's
actually
so
he
sick,
can't go back
Pascal.
home to France because he have a house in Thailand. So better we help him to renew his visa and buy his ticket to going back home.
Kailangan niya nang uminom to ng gamot. You good? Lobo na siya, B. Makati yung lalamunan niya.
Not mine.
We will buy for you. You want slipper? I'll buy for you. We change your slipper for new one. You good? Okay. This is your medicine. This is the medicine. Okay? You told me we don't have, but I
I
bought
want
for
to
you.
fly. I want to fly.
Okay. Later we will fly together. Okay? Oh, this is your medicine.
Pascal, he really want to fly or going back to Thailand. Actually, yeah, it's very sad to be homeless here in Philippines, guys. Especially if you don't have a family to support you. So this is the really bad situation for Pascal now. But hopefully we will fix his paper and we can help him. So guys, I will keep updating what happened to Pascal, and the people who want to donate or donate already, you can just comment down below. At least we know if here some of people donated money for him, because like he's still not receiving any donation. So guys, thank you for watching. Hopefully we don't judge any people why they become homeless. Okay, better to help them than to judge them. So thank you guys for watching, and yes, please share these videos so at least we can find easily his family. And I don't have any contact for family. For his family, I don't have any contact. So I really want to contact his family also. So at least they know what is the real situation about Pascal. Maybe they can just get him home. So yeah. So guys, let's spread the love and cares to all homeless here in Philippines. Thank you for watching.